Hi, this is a demonstration of GPS-based vehicle tracking and theft detection system. So this is an enhanced system that allows for vehicle tracking using GPS so that the user can get the pinpoint location of the vehicle, where it is. And this also consists of theft detection, so it can easily detect if the vehicle has been stolen, and on detection user can track the vehicle, check its location, as well as stop the vehicle engine instantly using SMS messages. So let's see how the system works.
Here we have two modules. This is the GSM module that has been used to communicate for calls and SMS, and this is the GPS module which will give the latitude and longitude locations to the user. This is the LCD over which the information will be displayed on the project, and the whole system is controlled by an Atmega 328 controller. Also, we have a DC motor to depict as a vehicle of the user, and the system is now getting powered 12-volt battery. Now let us power up the system. As soon as the system is turned on, you can see that since the connections have been done properly, so the GSM module is initialized and it has now it's waiting for the user to call to the system. So now it is called to the system. As soon as we call to the system, the calling number is displayed on the LCD, and the user also gets a SMS in return from the system that this number has been configured for future communication purposes. Now we have received the SMS that this number has been configured. Now the system operates in two modes, that is the user mode, in which the user himself is driving the car or vehicle, and the other mode is theft mode, in which the user is not using it. Since it is in the user mode, we can turn on the motor, so the vehicle is running, and we can see on the system, on the LCD is displaying that the engine started. So we can switch on and off from this switch the engine. Also, by this switch we can change the mode from user mode to theft mode. As soon as we do this, the system detects that it's a theft, and since the engine is running, it will send an SMS to the user that vehicle theft has been detected, and we can see that an SMS is received to the registered user number. When the user receives this message, he can reply with an S so that he can stop the system. So let us send an SMS having character S to the system. As soon as we receive the SMS, we can see that the engine has been stopped, and it's sending the tracking status, the latitude and longitude, to the registered user number. And we can see that an SMS will now be received that will show the user where the current location of the car is, vehicle is. As soon as we click on the link that has been sent by the system, it opens up in the map application, and it will show where the vehicle is currently. Now if again the user is suspicious of the current location of the vehicle, he can send an SMS with the keyword track to the user, so that he can again get the GPS location of the system. So let us send an SMS containing the keyword track. to the system number. As soon as we receive the SMS, it gets displayed that it is sending an SMS to the registered user number, and we will soon receive the tracking status of the system again, which is a link that will again open up in the map application, and we can locate where the current location of the vehicle is. Now there is also a feature where in the theft mode, if the user has accidentally stopped the system, he can again start the system by sending an SMS R to the system, which will again resume the system working, the motor vehicles working. So let us send an SMS R to the system. As soon as we receive it, acts upon it, and the vehicle has been resumed. Now again we can put this system into the user mode, and we can again start and stop as per our requirement. So this is how the GPS based vehicle tracking and theft detection project works. Thank you.